In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a user's online status in Bubble. We're going to create a simple, reliable way to mark a user as online as soon as they open your app. This involves adding a yes/no field to the user data type, and then setting that field to yes when the page loads. If you're following along, start by opening bubble.io in your browser. Sign in with your own credentials. Keep those private, and once you're in, open the specific Bubble app you want to update. Inside your app editor, head to the Data tab. Under Data Types, select User. This is where you define the properties stored for each user in your app. We're going to add a new field. Click Add Field, name it as Online, choose the type Yes, No, and create it. A yes/no field is perfect for this because it's a simple true or false value, clean, efficient, and easy to use in conditions later. Using a clear name like Isa Online also helps you read your workflows at a glance. Next, let's create the workflow that updates this field automatically. Go to the workflow section of the editor. We want this to happen the moment a page loads, so choose the Page is Loaded event. This event runs as soon as the user opens or refreshes the page, which is exactly when we want to mark them online. Now add an action to this event. Choose Data, Things, then make changes to Thing, and set the thing to Current User. In the field list, set is Online to Yes. Current User refers to the person who is logged in and viewing the app. That means this action will update only their own user record. If no one is logged in, there's no current user to update, so consider using this on pages meant for authenticated users. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you don't see the Isa Online field when building expressions, make sure you created it on the user type and that you're editing the correct app environment. If your change doesn't appear in the database, check your privacy rules to ensure users are allowed to modify their own records. And because this runs on page load, you can reuse the same pattern across multiple pages to keep the status consistent. That's it. You've added a yes/no is online field and a page load workflow that sets it to yes for the current user, giving you a solid foundation for presence indicators, last seen features, or online filters throughout your app.